School name is, Global English Medium School, Mahabaleshwar. And this education system we have started as a new NEP. NEP is a new education policy. So from the standard, we have made this all the classrooms according to NEP. It means new education policy. Our government has adopted this policy on 29th July 2020. From then we have started. So we have started our classrooms from junior KG to second standard. This is the classroom on the playing basis. And from after that, third and fourth class, third, fourth and fifth, this classroom is according to that we have made up. And this is the sixth and seventh standard. That the education system we are giving them the infrastructure also. And this is ninth standard. Miss will explain.
This is for the 9th to 12th, where the children are finishing their 10th. By whatever career they want to do, so that they can go for science, commerce and arts. In that, this is a model for all whatever we are doing it right now is implemented in our school. And these are all, we are trying to show everything, whatever we are actually following in our school. And these are the small things that we have to in this.
And now we saw how we said like same. Now what is the NEP new criteria is like 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. As we showed same like it's the 5, this one is the 3 and that one is 3 and this one is the 4. 4 means like this 5 plus means in that classroom we are taking primary classes like senior, junior, nursery, first standard and second standard. These small kids how they are learning, if we show them something, if they will listen, they will do, then only they can do this, they can learn it by themselves. Which means we are not giving them any type of exam. They will do themselves and then only they can learn whatever they want that. Then they will come in the next third standard, third, fifth and sixth. For this class we arrange, in that class they learn some languages like science, maths, English, Marathi and Hindi. As like that we just set up this, and when they will go in that classes we will just improve some skills like playing indoor activities like chess, whatever indoor activities there, they will do that. After that they will come in that, after 6, 7, 8 they will go in that, they will do some science experiment, they will learn something, what is the science, other things also they can learn. For that we made this classroom, and after up to 8th standard like 9, 10, 11, 12 we made like that. When students will go in that this classroom they are distracted with reading the books and all, they are more addicted by using the mobile and this all kind of things. They don't know the reading of the books. Because of that we have to create the interest for the reading the books and all. For that we kept the library in our school, in that they can read the books, they can learn something from the books. And for them, some students they are very interested in art and craft. For that students also we get some another session like this, you can see. And the same activities we are conducting in our school, you can see the images is over there. You can see every Saturday we are conducting art and craft activities, science exhibition, so many things are music classes, dance classes, martial art, everything. What student, when teachers are creative, then only the students are they will create something, they will learn something like that. And whatever we done here, that we are doing now also we are done this thing in our school like that.
We are in our school right now, it's going on. As we are showing, they are following all our teaching things according
And
to this.
we are taking the students for the field visit also. You can see the images are there. We took them for the field visit like Madhusagar and all. They can see the outside world also. They can see sometimes we are taking them for the nature walk. They will see how the nature works, how our surrounding place is there like that. They will learn some social science in that way. As per the new criteria like NEP, we made this project and we are sure that we are doing these things at our school and we are following this school, and I'm damn sure that the students they are learning so many things by using this kind of